Welcome back to the video class. Dear students of class 2. Today let's pick up the last chapter, that is geometry, chapter 5. The details of this you will learn in the higher classes. Only few basic ideas we shall be discussing here. What do you mean by geometry? Geometry is the branch of mathematics in which we study about point, line, angles and the different shapes which we see in our surroundings. So let's pick up straight line. First one, let's pick up straight line. If you draw using your scale, if you draw a line using your scale, then this line is known as straight line. Then curved line. If the line is not straight, see, on this plane we can draw with your free hand like this. So such line which is not straight is known as curved line. This is curved line. Then third one, standing line. As you know, when you are standing, your leg is down and head is up. Like this, like the same what I am standing now. So if the line is like U. This is your foot, this is your head. Then this line is known as standing line. Then sleeping. When you are sleeping, how is your position of the body? Your position will be like this on the bed. So this is known as sleeping line. Then next, slanting. If you are not sleeping or not standing, if you are neither standing nor sleeping, that is, it can be like this or like this or like this, like this. So such lines are known as slanting line. Then come to plane figure. Plane figures are the figures that can be drawn on the sheet of paper. So under plane figure, we shall pick up triangle. Triangle is a plane figure bounded by three sides. And this is side 1, 2, 3. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3. So in a triangle, there are three sides and three corners. Then rectangle. Rectangle is a plane figure bounded by four sides. It has four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. Four corners and four sides. And one property is that in the case of rectangle, opposite sides. This side is equal to this side. Length of this side is same as this. And length of this side is same as length of this side. Opposite sides have the same length. Then come to square. Square is a plane figure bounded by four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and four corners. 2, 3, 4. And in the case of square, all the four sides have the same length. So this length is equal to this length is equal to this length is equal to this. All the four sides have the same length. Then circle. Circle is also a plane figure formed by a closed curve line, and it has no corner and no sides, formed by curved line only. And let's come to solid shapes. For example, this book, this is a solid shape. And some definitions, some terms related with solid shapes, that is face, edge, corner, or vertex. Let's try to understand it. In this solid shape, how many faces are here? Faces means the surfaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 faces in this solid shape. This is cuboid. And this face and this face joining or meeting here, forming a line. So this line formed by joining two surfaces is known as edge. And corner or vertex. This edge, and one more edge here. These 3 edges meeting at this corner. So this meeting point of the edges is known as corner or vertex. Then let's pick up the first solid shape, that is cube. Figure of cube is shown here. And how many faces are there in the case of cube? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 faces and edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 edges and vertex or corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners are there. And in the case of cube, all the faces are same in shape and sizes. Then come to cuboid. In the case of cuboid also, there are 6 faces and there are 12 edges and there are 8 corners. And the difference is that in the case of cuboid, all the faces are not same in sizes. Only the opposite faces are same in shape and size. Then come to sphere. Sphere is a solid shape like your football. And it has only one surface, that is the curved one. So one face is here, and here is no edges, and vertex or corner 0. Only one face, that is the round one, is here. It is a solid figure, just like the same as that ice cream cone, and it has one circular face is here and other one curved surface. So together 2 faces are here, and on our edges here one edge is here, this circular edge, and vertex only one. Then let's come to the last solid shape, that is cylinder. This is the shape of cylinder, and it has here one face is here, another face here, and other one round one, cup one. So together there are 3 faces. And about the edges, one edge is here, another edge here, together 2 edges. And corner, there is no corner, 0. So these are the basic things we shall study in your standard, and details, that is properties of this, you will study in the coming higher classes. So let's wind up for today. Thank you, dear children.